Okay, welcome back. Today we will have a discussion on integer palindrome. It does mean find the given integer number is palindrome or not. So if you don't have an idea about how to find a palindrome in string, how to find a largest palindrome, please, if you don't have an idea, just you can watch the video. The link has given below in a description. Okay, so for example, what is a palindrome? Just we have to reverse it. 1, 2, 3, 4 should be 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it a palindrome? No. Okay, suppose if I do 1, 2, 1, again I reverse it, then it will be a same as it is. Then it means it's a palindrome. It's a not a palindrome. Okay, now let's see. We go ahead now. Take a main method. So the scanner SC is equal to use scanner of system dot in. Import the java.util package. So now ask user to enter the number. What it will happen? User will enter number. Once he enter, just int hold equal to sc dot next int. Hold it, then pass it to the method. Take a one method, public static void is palindrome. Hold the number as a parameter. So just take that number in a temporary variable just because I wanted to keep the number as it is. Just I wanted to reverse my temp. So I wanted to take a while temp should not be equal to 0. Now what to do here? Take a two variable. One is reverse, okay, equal to 0. Another one is for to hold an each digit. Let's see which will work. So now what I do, digit equal to temp modulus of 10. So suppose the input is 1 to example input 1 2 3 4. So now what will happen here? 1 2 3 4, it will do the modulus of 10. Then I get here equal to 4. I get here 4. Now what I wanted to do means reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus digit. So in this case, my reverse is 0. If I do multiply with a 0, reverse into 10. 0 into 10, it's a 0. 0 plus digit. Here 0 plus 4 equal to the 4. The value is here 4. Now what I wanted to do, I wanted to divide the number with a 10. Temp equal to temp divisible by 10. So here 1 2 3 4, if I do divisible with a 10, I get a 123.4. Just because it is an integer, then I will get a 123 here. Again, it's my 123 is not equal to 0. Yes, my condition is true. Now what I do here, 123 modulus of 10, it will give 3. So let's see how it will work. Now here, my digit will come here. What is my reverse value? 4. 4 into 10. 4 into 10. It's a 40. Then if I do plus 3, its the value is 43. Now I got a 43. Again, what I do here, 123 divisible by 10. The value is here 1, 2. So again, I will come here 1, 2 modulus of 10. It will give 2. Then here 43 into 10. 43 into 10. It will give 430 into 10. Sorry, 43 into 10, 430. 43 into 10, 430 plus 2. It's a 432 is equal to 432. Now here I check 12 divisible with a 10. I get a 1. The same one will come here. This sorry. If I do here 123 by 10, I will get a 10 here. So then I get a 1. So now what I do, 1 modulus of 10, and I will get a 1. The same one I will multiply with a 430, 432 into 10, it will become a 4320, 4320 plus 1, it will give a 4321. It is a 1234 or 1234, it will give a 4231. So let's see how it will work. Now what I do here, I want to print just the reverse number. The reversed number equal to just print reverse. Here I wanted to print original number SYSO number. Just print here. Now what I wanted to do, if my temp is equal to num, it means it's a parent do. System dot out println num is num is a palindrome, or else it's a num is a palindrome, else SYSO num is not a palindrome. Just you double quote, just separate it the plus. Let's see, we will run the program. Here we go. Okay, application, run the program, enter the number 1234. Why? What happened? I'm not calling method here. Just I have to call the method. What you do here, call method from main is palindrome, just pass the number. Instead of num, just pass the hold. Okay, now let's see, run the program. 1234. Okay, original number is 1234. The reverse number is 43241. 1234 is not a palindrome. Let's see. Just I want to make a second. Again, I'll give other number 11211. It's a palindrome. Yes, exactly. Original number is 1121. The reverse number is 1121. It means 1121 is a, it's not a palindrome. No, should be palindrome. So where is the mistake? Oh, I got it. We should make it as a reverse. Let's see how it will work. Okay, I'll choose 11211. So here we go. Is a palindrome. Let's see. We'll compile once again. I choose some big number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I do 7, 8, 9. I do 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Sorry. So it will give me an error because it's a too big number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it palindrome or not? Yes, it's a palindrome. Yes, exactly. 2, 3, 4. Then 4, 3, 2, 1 is a palindrome. Suppose I give some other number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4. Is it palindrome? No, it's not a palindrome. Okay. So I hope you understood how to find an integer, the given integer number is a palindrome or not. It's a very simple logic. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching video. Thank you so much.